Shall we begin? Welcome to Rainy Day Wednesdays with Yusuke Kitagawa. Today we are playing Stardew Valley for the first time. Obviously, I'm not really Yusuke Kitagawa, I just wanted to make that joke of Rainy Day Wednesdays. But, yeah, we're going to play Stardew Valley. You got yourself some nice hot beverage and enjoy this. Let us name our character, freaking Yusuke, because why not? Let us begin this adventure of Stardew Valley. Santa Claus? What is he doing here? And for my very special grandson, I want you to have this sealed envelope. Oh, thank you very much. No, don't open it yet. Have patience. Now, listen close. When the day comes, you feel crushed by the burdens of modern life, and your bright spirit will fade before a growing emptiness. When that happens, my boy, you'll be ready for this gift. Now, let Grandpa rest. Undetermined amount of years later. Oh, dang it. Working so hard. Woody? Oh my gosh. There's Yusuke. I can't do this anymore. I must leave this area. Dear Yusuke, if you're reading this, you must be in a dire need of a change. The same thing happened to me long ago. I'd lost sight of what mattered most in life, real connections with other people and nature. So I dropped everything and moved to a place I truly belong. I've enclosed the deed to that place, my pride and joy, Brokey Farm. It's located in Stardew Valley, on the southern coast. It's the perfect place to start your new life. This was my most precious gift of all, and now it's yours. I know you'll honor the family name, my boy. Good luck. Love, Grandpa. P.S. If Louis is still alive, say hi to the old guy for me, will ya? Time to go to Stardew Valley. Hello, you must be Yusuke. I'm Robin, the local carpenter. Mayor Lewis sent me here to fetch you and show you the way to your new home. He's right there. He's there right now, tidying things for you for your arrival. The farm's right over here, if you'll follow me. Goodness. This place is a mess. This is Brokey Farm. Whoa! Whoa! What's the matter? Sure, it's a bit overgrown, but there's still good soil underneath that mess. With a little dedication, you'll have it cleaned in no time. And here we are, your new home. Ah, the new farmer. The new farmer. Welcome, I'm Louis, mayor of Pelican Town. You know, everyone's been asking about you. It's not every day that someone new moves in. It's quite a big deal. So, you're moving into your grandfather's old cottage. It's a good house, very rustic. Crusty might be a little more apt though. Rude. Don't listen to her, Yusuke. She's just trying to make you feel dissatisfied so you buy one of her house upgrades. Anyways, you must be tired from the long journey. You should get some rest. Tomorrow, you want to explore the town a bit and introduce yourself. The townspeople would appreciate that. Oh, I almost forgot. If you have anything to sell, just place it in this box here. I'll come by during the night to collect it. Well, good luck. So just doing everything myself, huh? It's move, Run. Check. I'm in bed. No, I do not want to. Whoa! We got some parsnip seeds. You received 15 parsnip seeds. Here's a little something to get you started. Marilus. Yeah. So I have 500 gold. Well, oh, so you just... Oh, do we need the scythe? Oh. Let's just do some cutting. Oh, so use the axe to get these, scythe to cut the grass. Scythe again. Yeah, this seems pretty cool. Getting a lot of fiber. Wait, just how big is this area? Snap, there's a thing over here. You can't walk in the grass, that's... Okay, let's see. Yeah, so we're just gonna let this play. Yeah. I don't know. Let's just clean up this area. And then we'll make something later. Can we rearrange our inventory? Oh! Is this an energy bar? I'm still talking like Yusuke. Ah, okay. Yeah. He uses 2 energy every time. That doesn't cost any energy? Okay, using the scythe doesn't do anything. Yeah, so mining and doing that costs energy. You don't have any mail. How do I check my inventory? Oh, escape. Or E. E. A hoe? We don't need that yet. Let's use the scythe, pickaxe. Yes. Skills. Combat? Single? What, you can date people? Oh snap, this is a big area. Elliot's cabin. Shall we go exploring? Bus stop, Pelican Town. That is the bus stop. Wait, is it automatically running? Maybe it is. Exit gate. No. Oh, yeah, auto run. There I go. Looks like a infirmary. Doctors. We are broke. Stardrop Solo. This is going. Just explore. What's this? Today is Monday. Year 1. What do you mean year 1? Today's not a Monday. Or in-game days. Okay. Lewis's birthday. So we have a week until Lewis's birthday. Let's just try to journal. Getting started. If you want to become a farmer, you have to start with the basics. Use your hoe to till the soil, then use a seed packet on the tilled soil to sow a crop. Introductions. Oh my goodness, Hey you, I must introduce you to myself. Well, hello there. I'm Gus, chef and owner of the Stardrop Saloon. Hello, Gus. Very slow. Just breaking into people's houses. Oh snap, I'm already at... What is this? Seems like I need some wood. With 300 pieces of wood. Well, I think I can do that. A mussel. I don't need that. Oh, just swinging already takes stamina. How do you get more stamina, though? Do you need a rest? That would suck. Anyways, new person over here. Oh, hello. I'm Penny. Hello there, Penny. Another person. Let's just break into this. Oh, I can read it in your face. You're going to love it here in Pelican Town. Hello there, Emily. What is this? If you're ever looking for something to do in this evening, stop by the saloon. That's where our evening. I see. Someone is here. Who was that? Hey, you. Ah, Mayor Lewis told me you just arrived. I'm Marie. Hello there. Or goodbye, Marie. Who are you? Ah, Harvey. I'm Harvey Hovington. Ah, it's a pleasure to meet you. I'm Harvey, the local doctor. I thought I saw... Yeah, I'm pretty sure I saw you. I mean, I'm pretty sure I saw... Anyway. Can you sit down? Very nice. Sweet. If only there was a faster way. Let us keep working. We must make a 5x3. So must we cut this down? Wood. Yeah, I don't think that was a good idea. Pickaxe. I should get my mic away from my keyboard. Alright. Now we use the hoe to... I'm thinking like... 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5. Whoops. Here we go. Now we must water. Is there a faster way to water this? Finally, we're done. Let's refill. Any source of water. This is a source of water, isn't it? Can I refill? Oh, there we go. So we have our crops growing right here. Let's just spend the rest of the time cutting down some grass and just cleaning up this area. It's very hard to move around when there's a lot of things in your way. Ooh, big area. Good, the scythe doesn't cost any energy. There, it's all clean. Now, get rid of this. How are we supposed to get rid of this? This axe isn't strong enough to break this stump. How do we get them then? Already a day. How do you craft? Crafting, here we go. A chest, a gate, wooden fence, a torch. Alright, so we need 50 wood. Wood path. So let's try to get 50 wood. Do we get it by cutting down a tree? Oh. Got 12 wood from that. And 5 more. We only have 12 left. I think let's just put this away. Just try to mine some rocks. What happens if you run out? It's getting pretty dark. I can craft some torches. It requires 2 sap. I guess here? I don't really know. You're starting to feel exhausted. Yes, I am. 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1 more. What happens if I just... What, do I fall and just collapse? Oh, you feel sluggish. Fortune teller? Oh. I think it's a good time to just go sleep. Will you sleep for the night? Oh, yes. What is this? Okay. What does this mean? Farming, fishing. Day 2. Oh, you only get half mail. Hello there. Just got back from a fishing trip. You should come down to the beach if you got some time. It seems so. Honestly, I feel like using my controller. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Impact mode activated. It's like, oh. Willie, right? I don't remember his name. Yeah. Ahoy there, son. Heard there was a newcomer in town. Good to finally meet you. I'm still trying to unwind from a month out on the salty seas. It was a big haul. I sold a lot of good old fish. Finally saved enough to buy me a new rod. Here, I want you to have my old fishing rod. It's important to me that the art of fishing stays alive. And hey, maybe you'll buy something from the shop once in a while. Oh, I've got a fishing rod. Use it. Wait, what am I supposed to do? Whoa! A sardine. Very good. Oh, snap! Oh, do I need to get rid of one? Oh, so my inventory is full. So I do need to go and get a, what's it called? A chest. For you. Shane. What? What do you want? Go away. Man, I don't like you, Shane. I mean, technically that is a normal response. If you're like, I don't know who you are. Two? It does cost. This watering sucks. Maybe I should. Whoops. Fill it up. And let's get 4 more. 1. Whoops. 2, 3, 4. What's this one? More stuff over here. Oh, let me get back. place it right here. Let's put our hoe away. Watering can. Muscle. Stone. I think we should go fishing. Oh, we do need fiber. Oh, okay. Let's go back. I don't like having to walk all the way across. You got a leak? Ah, yes, amazing. Wait a second. We don't need to go all the way down there, do we? Hey, you. I don't know who you are. Hey. Oh, you're that new farmer boy, aren't you? Yes, I am. Oh, that's a lot of energy. Well, let's try. So, how much energy we have? 78? Alright, so it takes 8 energy. Broken glasses? Like, that's useful. Maybe we do need to go down there. Bro. So lame. I want to fish. Whoops. Did not mean to do that. Hello, man. How much will you... Oh, $40. Hit! Oh snap, so it does go down. That's not good. I don't like this. What? A herring? I'm almost exhausted. Oh snap, this is a hard one. What is this? No! I was trying to get that present! It just appeared out of nowhere and like... I failed to get him. What the heck? Fishing actually sucks. Who are you? Elliot. Ah, the new farmer we've all been expecting, and whose arrival has sparked many conversations. I'm Elliot. I lived in this little cabin by the beach. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's nice to meet you too, Elliot. I love his hair. More people. Hello, Penny. I'm tutoring Vincent and Jaws today. They're a handful, but it's nice to make a difference in someone's life. So you're Jazz? Hi. And you are... Vincent! Oh, a stranger! My name's Vincent. Mama says not to talk to strangers, but you seem okay. Could I just start chopping down these? No. Oh yeah, doing that is pretty nice. With the controller. This is the Pelican Sound School? It's a lot. So someone. Robin, hello. Yeah, I haven't met everyone yet. You are that... Have I met you yet? I feel like I have. Yeah, I have. Oh, this person. I don't think I've met this one. Unless I have. Oh. Jody. Oh, you aren't exactly how I imagined. But that's okay. I'm Jody. I'm Yusuke. You! Sam! Why do you have Saiyan hair? You have Super Saiyan hair. I don't know how to get wood or energy. What can we do? I know. Oh! Seaweed can be used to eat. Oh! That sounds really good. What do we need to make a... Let me just eat one. Yes. Very nice. We need to chop... Nope, that's... No, I'm not strong enough to do that. And we need to eat another. Yes. Now let's cut down this tree. Wood. I need... Okay, now I just need the stone. Now let's make the campfire. Put it over here. What can we do? Can we do some cooking now? Is it just decoration? What am I even supposed to be doing? I don't know. Put this in this box over here. Fiber. No, we need that. What? Okay. I don't know how to get a good amount of stone. How bad can it be? So, oh, that's wood. It's really hard to see. Yes, I am. This is a rock. This is... And how many do we have left? We have 4, 3. Two, 1. Alright, I think that's good enough. Let us throw this in here. Boop. Yep, that's good. I don't know what else to do. I don't really know. Alright, day 2 we got... I just still don't understand how to get the other things. It's literally Rainy Day Wednesday. Oh my goodness. This is the best game. Advertisement. I keep finding cool stuff, but my backpack is full. Does that sound like you? Yes, it does. Pierre's General Store? Yes, please. Let me just put this. Oh, I have full energy now. Why is that? Is it because I didn't go to bed exhausted? You can't zoom in. I don't like that. General Store. Where's General Store? People dead over here. My beloved Mona. Mona? Okay. I cannot read that. Let me just see what the buttons do. Oh, chat. What's this? Closed on Wednesdays. Oh, hold on. Let me just, Hello. Welcome to Rainy Day Wednesdays with Yusuke Kitagawa. It's because it's already water. Yeah. Oh, it's out of service? What's the point of it being here? We should just keep dropping down this area. Let's finish off Rainy Day Wednesday, and that will be it for today. We got some new ideas to sleep on. What? What's this? So 20 energy. Get this one. 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you start to go. I don't even understand what L and R do. That looks like a library. There's a book missing here. Hello, man. Gunther. Hello there. Welcome to Stardew Valley's archaeological office. This is a lot bigger. Oh, forging. Ooh, yeah, some copper bars, trash can. So that's good to know. That's where the forging is. Joe Jamar. Morris, welcome. Look. Bricks. I want to buy the bricks. So you can't really do much in this. Shane's hard at work. Shane. He sounds... Shane. I'm pretty sure I've heard Shane's name before. Pam. Hey kid. Your name's Pam. And you. I can't talk to you like Oh, you buy it like this. Jojo. That's literally just the Watch Mojo logo. Oh, here we go. Seeds. Bean starter takes 10 days. Cauliflower seeds, potato seeds. Let's get more parsnip seeds. I got one, I got two, I think. Oh, here's General. Closed on Wednesdays. Why? Why would you put an ad on Wednesday if you're not even open on Wednesdays? It would have been the best day. Rainy day Wednesdays, bro. Yes! Make Shane happy. Yes, I have a dandelion. Never mind, that's a daffodil. Alex. Oh, so, hey, so you're the new guy, huh? Cool. Let's go to the saloon. Hello, Gus. That's his name, right? A beer? Oh, wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of energy. That's even more energy. Wow! I might buy that. Spaghetti. Yeah. So salad is just the best one. Coffee? That's bad. I mean, it does make you faster. I don't know. Hash. Ooh. Oh, that's recipe. Okay. Cranberry sauce. Cranberry sauce looks good. I'm gonna buy one. Let's get this. Deforestation. That could 12. I can't like get rid of everything, right? I need to keep some trees at least. How do you plant more trees? I don't really do much with these. Footpath? Flop. And then we have a crop over here. Or just some things. Okay, let's get rid of. What's this cave? I should go in it. Let's go in the cave. Very spooky. What's the point of that? Oh, I got wood already. Oh yeah, I need wood to make that bridge thing. I think we can sell some, let's just sell this wood. And this fiber, this stone. We don't need those, probably. I mean, if we do need them, we have more, probably. Just clearing out the area. Okay, I can do like one more tree, right? Yeah. Alright. 7, 5, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. And sleep. And if it goes to full health, then I know what it is. Okay. Let's end off Rainy Day Wednesday. Wait, did I check the... Let me check this area. Okay, no, they don't have anything. Let's end the day. Yep. Level up. Level 1 forge. Axe proficiency. Trees sometimes drop seeds. That's good. Wild seeds. New crafting recipe. Field snack. That's great. 100G. That's good. Alright. Very well. That's going to end it for today's video. Or today's episode of Stardew Valley. It's no longer Wednesday, so it's time to say goodbye. Well, thank you very much. Farewell.